Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with more tutorials. So in this video we will see how to run PHP code on Visual Studio Code. So in previous video we learned how to install the Visual Studio Code. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that. So let's start. First we have to install the PHP extension to run any PHP code on Visual Studio. So for that, go to this extension tab and search for PHP. Then here you can see the PHP debug option. Click on that. Then to install, click on install button. So we have installed this. Now let's try to run the code. So first we have to create one text file. So go to file and click on new. Now here we have to select the language. So click on select language. We are going to write it for PHP. So let's select PHP. Now let's write our code. So first we are giving PHP tag. Then we have to print some statement. So to print we are using echo tag, and in double quotes, let's write something. Welcome to my channel. Then just use semicolon and close the PHP tag. So we have written simple code to run one statement that welcome to my channel. Let's run it. To run, go to the run option and click on start debugging. So to run the file, first we need to save that. So go to files and click on save as. So I'm going to save it as first PHP code.php is the extension. So whenever we are writing any PHP code, we need to give file extension as .php. So let's save it. So we have saved our code. Let's run it. To run, go to run option and click on start debugging. So it will start debugging. You can see we have printed welcome to my channel here. So in this way you can write and run PHP code on Visual Studio Code.